simple navigation, and interesting content are features of a good application design. This increases user satisfaction with the application services, which benefits in growing the platform users. In 2021, SeaBank introduced its digital bank to provide customers with better services.
Assalamualaikum and hello from Malaysia. We are Tech Titans and my name is Farah.
Hello, I'm Hannah Sarina.
Hi, I'm Atira.
Here's the objective of expanding the current online banking by adding digital investment products. First, user can buy investment products through the application by their own. SeaBank also provides user with knowledge on the investment products so that they can know it in depth. This new service comes up with the suitable investment requirements for the user depending on their interest and risk profile. I proceed to the main requirements. The service allows users to buy and sell investment products as well as display a portfolio summary. Additionally, the existing SeaBank application must be enhanced to include the investing capabilities and activities. Users were requested to complete a risk assessment to help them choose the best products based on their preferences and risk profile. I pass to Atira to continue.
I will proceed with the theoretical framework. We have applied design thinking process involving 5 stages as shown on the screen. In addition, we have used several principles and heuristics. Next, we have utilized the SCQA framework, which includes the SeaBank goal, current problems, and solution. I'll pass to Hannah to continue.
Next, I will present about deliverable part. First, we have main page. In menu investment, we provide 3 products, which is unit trust, fixed deposit, and gold. We have made product comparison to help users understand more about the benefit for each investment. For fixed deposit, users can invest their money and it will return a fixed interest rate. We include market outlook for good to have requirement part. So this is the part where users enter the money and the result of fixed deposit investment. In unit trust, the investment money will be handled by professional manager. User can select the fund on the drop-down menu. This is risk assessment to help user in choosing investment. User have to answer all the questions. After users submit all the questionnaire, the result will appear on the investment page. So that's all for me. I will pass to Atira to continue the presentation.
I will continue with the next investment product, which is gold. We have main page, buy or sell UI, and market outlook below it. The 3 UI on the right side are for selling gold. There we have pop-up message for user transaction and verification after the transaction occurs. Next, a feedback will appear on the screen if their transaction is successful. Furthermore, the 4 UI on the right side are the same as the previous UI but for buying gold. Last but not least, notification will be received